We believe in what we have come to call radical inclusivity and extravagant grace. Reaching for the persons who are most marginalized and trying to serve them, creating a way to serve them. And we found out that we catch everybody else, either on the way out or on the way back. Our journey in doing work in HIV began 20 years ago. The Ark of Refuge was the first program to provide housing for African American and other women of color who were living with HIV and recovering from substance abuse in San Francisco. And same thing for trans women.
The transgender ministry belongs to all of us. The food ministry early on Sunday morning belongs to all of us. The clinic belongs to all of us.
When your burdens are heavy, Jesus says, come.
Over the years, there were times when it was absolutely necessary to do things that were considered questionable, and even in the early days, illegal. We got to the question of needle exchange and even condom distribution. And there were a lot of folks who disagreed with me as a religious leader. But if someone is going to shoot dope, I would rather that they not die and contract and or spread HIV. As we go forward in the work against HIV and AIDS and the realities that people deal with, such as homelessness, lack of access to care, food, we're going to have to pull together. I travel a lot, replicating the work of City of Refuge. Now we have churches connected to us, a little better than 100 of them, all over the United States. And in Hong Kong, Thailand, and Singapore. Isn't that great? And we have them in Mexico, and in South Africa, and in Zimbabwe. So it's a great, great blessing to have seen this model of ministry expand all over the world.